Hi friends, welcome to GK TikTok. In today's video, we are going to see how to create links in our web page. So each and every website will have different pages. We will navigate from one page to other page. How we can do that? And we can even link with other websites. How we can do that? All these things we will see in this section. And within the page also we can even move from one part to another part using links. That is all we will see as part of this video. In last video we already gone through images, how to give the image, how to adjust the width and height. Okay, let's get started with practical thing.
So see, this is our image. In last section we already added a couple of images here. Now we are going to add link to our web page. So I want to give to my actual website from this app image. Clicking on this app image, it will go to my website. So how we can do that? So there is a tag called anchor tag. We can call that as an anchor tag. It will be like yeah, and we need to provide href in the sense we need to provide where it has to go when click on it. So I'm just giving https www.gktechtalks.com. This is our official website, so that's why I'm giving it. Okay, I'm just placing the end tag after the image. Okay, if you observe, a anchor tag starts with a and we need to provide href. Okay, and we given image in between the anchor tag. So even you can provide text also here. First we'll see with text. Go to my website. Okay, I just given go to my website in place of image. Let's see how the output will be. See, go to my website. If I clicking on here, what it will do? It will try to go to my website. Whatever link you given, see here it is opening gktechtalks.com. Okay, if you go back again, you will come to the same website. Okay, now we are in our web page. In place of the text, I am trying to give the image. So just to see how to do. See, I given the image in place of the text. Okay, now I given the image and saving it, and we're going to the page and again refreshing. So now I got the image. See, clicking on here, hand symbol is coming, right? This hand symbol basically it is a symbol for link. We given the link, then it will come like that. Here we didn't given any link, right? So but here we given the link. Okay, this is how links will work. Suppose if I click on here, same like previously, it will go to my website. Okay, this is how it will work. We'll see how to open in the new tab. Instead of opening in the same window, I want to open it in a new window. So how we can do that? There is an attribute called target. We need to use that target to open it in a new window. So here I need to provide target. So what is this target gives? Where it has to open, that we have to mention here. If I mention underscore blank, it will open in a new tab. Let's see. I just saved it and will open and refresh it. Okay, if I click on here, see it's opening in the new tab, right? So if you didn't given anything, it will open in the same video. If we given, then it will open in a another window. Okay, so just close it, and I'm coming back to our code. Even if you want to provide some text here, can even provide. you give text, see, text also is coming like this. So underline will come. If you give anchor tag, underline will come. Okay. Now how we will move from one portion to other portion? Here I have different tutorials, right? So I will give on top, I will give few links on top. Now we will see how to move within the page. We have different parts of the page, right? So if you want to move from one tutorial to another tutorial, how we can move using links. So here I am creating links here. For each tutorial I am creating basically. So right now I'm not giving anything, just I'm giving Java tutorial, give break so that it will move to next line. Just copy pasting that. Okay, now we have 3 links. So how we can give link PHP HTML? We have 3, right? So if you see our code, see we have 3. So I want to link HTML tutorial with HTML and PHP tutorial with PHP. I want to link up. How we can do that? That's what we are going to see here. See here for h2 tag, I'll just give id equal to Java. Okay. Similarly, I'll give id for PHP. id equal to PHP. Next, last one, id equal to HTML. Okay. Now I given IDs for all the 3 tags. Here we need to provide hash Java. First we'll check Java and okay, if you click on here, see it's moving to Java, right? Just try once again. See, so here hash representing the current page. Hash Java means wherever id given to that place it will move automatically. Now we will give for remaining things PHP HTML. Okay, so let's try once. I just refreshed, clicking on Java, I move to Java now. Okay, I'm clicking on HTML, so I move to HTML part. In case if I click on PHP, I move to PHP part. So this is how it will work. If you want to move within the page, then you need to give the IDs to those particular sections, and then you need to provide hash that particular ID as part of anchor tag. Okay, this is how we can move within the page. And if you want to open an external website, you need to provide href equal to that particular website address you need to provide. And if you want to open your own page, some other page within your website, then you need to provide that page path. Now I am creating one more file. I'm just giving HTML head is and all required, right? add title sample. It is just for our testing purpose we are giving. Okay, we need to save this file as can save in the same folder so that we can just directly give that file name, it will work. Sample.html. I just given sample.html. Just save it. Okay, see, after saving with .html extension, then the color got changed. Okay, so every tag has to be closed, then only it will be perfect. So here I'm just giving h1 sample page. Okay, just for our reference purpose. Now I am going to provide a link to that sample page. How we can? So yeah, if that file is within your directory, then you can directly provide that file sample.html. In case if it is in different directory, we need to provide that path, just like how we did for image. Okay, open sample, we'll see the output. See here, I got open sample. If I clicking on here, see sample page getting opened. Okay, this is how we can do it. So if you provide target equal to underscore blank, then it will open in a different page. If you didn't provide anything, it will open in the same page. Okay, and even you can link with image that we already seen. This is how we can use anchor tag for linking different web pages into your website. Okay, clicking on that particular link, it will open a different page. Either that page will be external file or within the website. In the same folder, you no need to give the path. You just simply provide that particular file name. If it is in different folder, then you need to provide the path. This is how anchor tag will work. If you want to move within the page, then you need to provide the ID for each and every section, and you need to use hash that particular ID as part of anchor tag. This is how links will work in HTML5. Next section we will see how to use list, how to create different types of lists, that we will see in the next video. We'll meet in next video with the list section. Okay, until then, take care, goodbye.